Danny Dilo, Biker TV.
What's good, everybody? Welcome to another edition of a Biker's Review. I'm Danny Dilo, and this is Danny Dilo Biker TV. Today, my good friends and sponsors, EagleLights.com, they sent me another package. So let me go ahead and open these bad boys up. I already know what it is, and I think you guys are going to be pretty impressed with this product. I asked them to please send me this product because I think it's well needed on our road glides. So this product actually goes on the front of your motorcycle, of your road glide, because it offers us more lighting in the corners. If I could just get this thing out of the package. You know, sometimes these unwrapping videos don't go according to plan, I'm just saying. So here we are. This is the product I wanted to show you guys today. Of course, here is all your plugs. It's all plug and play, ready to go. You can't beat it. You gotta love Eagle Lights, man. Everything is plug and play and simple to put on. So this goes on the front forks, your sliding, what are they called now? Your slides, your slide cans, whatever they are. They go down on your forks. So this way here, when you're turning your handlebars on a road glide, you'll actually have bright lights following where you're turning. So this is really gonna help in turns and corners. You know, you'll be able to see stuff out in the cornfield. Of course, if you're running the Eagle Lights headlight that I'm running, you'll pretty much see the moon. You'll see everything. There is no blind spots. But if you're not, and even if you are, extra lighting is always good, because as I've been saying lately, we want to be seen and we want to be heard. Loud pipes save lives, and bright lights save lives as well. So we're going to go ahead and start installing this, and I'm going to show you guys, of course, before and afters. I'm also going to show you guys how much light this puts out. So let's go ahead and jump into that install right now. Today we're going to be using a T40, a T30, a T25, a Phillips screwdriver, an extension of whatever your choice is so that you can get behind the headlight, whatever snippers you want to use, and a couple of zip ties. You can take a hook, tool, or even a screwdriver. All you have to do is pull this speaker grill off, take your T30, and loosen this bolt and take it completely out. Take your T25 and take this bottom bolt completely out. Take your 3/16 Allen and take this bolt completely out. Take that completely out, and now you're ready to pull your fairing off. Take your Phillips screwdriver and take your windshield bolts off. To take this off, all you have to do is pull up right here, and it pops right off. Now what you want to do is you want to unplug your turn signals, and now you can pull your fairing right off the bike. Unplug your headlight and pull it right off. Take your T40 and remove this bolt right here. Remove the other side. Remove your cover. Once you have your wires ran, which will go from underneath here and then come right out where your factory harnesses come out at, now it's time to install your cover. So just put it up there, put your bolts back in. So now your fork light cover lights are completely installed, nice and fastened and tight. Now all you have to do is make sure you plug this into where you used to plug in your headlight. So that will plug in there, and we'll button that right up underneath there real nice. And your headlight will actually plug into this now. And then here are your turn signals. So I'm going to assume that it will go that way, but I'm not sure. So what you want to do before you go and plug it in and start buttoning and everything up is make sure you hit your turn signal lights, make sure everything's working properly, and then you can start buttoning everything up. Now that we know everything works and everything's properly plugged in to where they're supposed to be, now it's time to start buttoning it all up. Take your wire ties that's included in your kit and start wire tying your stuff around, or zip tying, excuse me. Zip tie all your wires up nice and neat, because you always want to do a nice clean install on your motorcycle. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and then I'll show you the finished product, and then we're going to go into the review. If I learned anything when my buddy Tim Henry was installing my sounds equipment, I have to tell you this much. I learned, do a good clean install, good clean wiring, tuck everything away so that nobody sees nothing, nobody knows that you've been inside of it, and it just looks so much better. Now look how bright these lights are, before and then after. There's no blind spots, and look how far down the road I'm looking. It's crazy how bright this is. What's good, everybody? Welcome to another edition of a Biker's Review. I'm Danny D'Lo, and this is Danny D'Lo Biker TV. Today, once again, my good friends over at Eagle Lights, they sent me these wonderful, wonderful lights that I'm absolutely in love with. Their fork cover LED light system. First of all, I have to say, man, first and foremost, I've really been enjoying working with Eagle Lights. They're a wonderful company to work with. Their customer support is impeccable. They're always on top of their game. They're always on top of everything. Their tech support is awesome as well. I have nothing but good things to say about Eagle Lights. So I appreciate the opportunity of being sponsored by you guys and working with you guys. It's been a blast, and thank you so much for all the wonderful products you put on my motorcycle. And trust and believe they will be all around the country showing everybody everything that I have on my bike. So that being said, what do I think about these fork light covers, or fork cover lights? I'm absolutely in love with them, man. First of all, I have to say, man, between their headlight and these fork lights, I look like a freight train coming down the road. Like, there ain't no way you're not gonna see me during the day or during the night. But the one thing I really seriously gotta point out to you guys, and all of you guys that have been riding for any length of a time, and all of you guys that run bright lights on your bikes, you already know what I'm about to say. Have I been flashed yet going down the road? No, I have not been flashed. I'm very surprised I've not had cars flashing me going down the road as bright as my lights are, but they're pitched just perfect where they're not blinding oncoming traffic, so you don't have to deal with that annoying crap that we deal with as bikers when we run brighter lights. Everybody's flashing you, you're flashing them back. It kind of gets annoying to the point where you're not even enjoying your ride, or like me, you take the opportunity of playing a little game called Who Am I Going to Blind Today? And flash them. So you don't have that problem with Eagle Lights. I'm extremely impressed at the fact that I haven't been flashed yet. And I ride at night a lot. I probably do most of my riding at night or in the evening for the most part during the summer. So I've yet to be flashed. I can see across a 4-lane highway all the way past the ditch line on the other side. So I gotta tell you guys, man, I'm just super impressed by all the products that they've sent to me. I'm running all Eagle Lights on my bike. They're all LED turn signals, brake lights, headlights, and now the fork can lights. And I'm extremely impressed with them, man. They're super bright, they really are. So I would definitely take advantage of the 15% off discount linked below in the description, and I'll also try to put it in the comments and link that and pin that for you guys to take advantage of. Take advantage of that link, guys. All you got to do is go over to that Danny D'Lo link, and you'll get an automatic 15% off of all your purchases on eaglelights.com. So make sure you check that link out, guys. I mean, come on, it's Christmas. We're in the holiday season. Why not get 15% off, right? So hit that link below, and until the next episode, you already know the drill. Keep it real and keep it 100. I'll let y'all. Peace.
Danny D'Lo Biker TV.